we will use straight stitch to embroider Cancer constellation card. Make sure that you secure the thread with masking tape. For the main branches, I will use 6 strands of the thread. I recommend you that you have the pattern close, so you can check every time that you need, in case that you have any doubts what do you need to do next. For smaller branches, I used only 2 strands of the thread. Here you are looking at some super fast embroidery, because in reality, you know, I don't embroider this fast. When you run out of thread, you just change it like I did here. You can apply same technique to the other constellations that you prefer. I chose Cancer constellation because this is my birth sign, but you can do another constellation for your friend. This can be beautiful personalized gift for your special friends.
Congratulations, your first embroidery card is finished. I hope that you took your time and enjoyed this process like I did. See you in next lesson.